Hi, my name is Cerbrenda Barbour. I am from Long Beach, California. I'm the CEO of the House of Three, and I am a graduate of Dominique Browns' 30-day CRA course. So before I started this course, I had no idea of how credit scoring worked. I didn't know why my credit score went up or down. I didn't know why I got denied for things. I didn't even know why I got approved for things. I knew absolutely nothing. After I took the course, now I understand what goes into making up your credit score. There are things and percentages that go into that. He explains it so well, so I understand how credit scoring works. I know why my credit score changes when it does. I know what to do to fix it if it changes in a negative way. I have so much more detail about how a credit score works. He starts you from scratch. He lets you know like what an LLC is, what an S Corp is, what a corporation is, and gives you ideas on when you would want to use those. He teaches you about marketing, about business credit, all kinds of things having to do with business in general, not just the credit score. Because of the cost. I've taken other courses, not in this realm, but I've taken other courses, and generally a course starts out at $19.97. This course was half that price, and I got so much more information than you would normally get in a course that costs $2,000. You will come away with knowledge. I know now how credit scoring works. I'll be able to teach my kids how credit scoring works. They will be able to teach their kids. So that in itself is worth whatever he was going to charge, because nobody teaches you this in school. Nobody teaches it in college unless maybe you were a finance major. I was not. I was a computer science major. So they teach you nothing about money or credit scoring. In addition to the price that you will pay for the course, there are some additional fees. So if I was telling my friend about this business, I would say, this is absolutely a great business for you to get into, but please know that you're not going to buy the course and then that's it. You're going to have to pay for marketing. There's going to be some monthly fees that you will have to take care of to support your business. So just to be clear, that's something that you need to think about. Not that it's a bad thing, it's just reality. Every business that you go into, you're going to have to put something in before you can get something out, right? So all in all, I would say that it's a win-win for you to take this course. It's a steal for all the things that you get. Credit knowledge, marketing knowledge, business credit knowledge, all of that. It's just a win-win for you if you decide that this is what you want to do.